Hi. So if you have installed a APK file of any software on your Android TV, what happens is if you go on your homepage, you won't find the app anywhere here. If it's not anywhere located in the apps. Like what I did is I've installed Skype on my Android TV, but I can't find it here. So there's a very easy way that I can tell you how to find it. You just go to your settings and then go to apps, and in apps your installed APK will be found one here, but like you can see my Skype is still not being found here. So what you can do is you can again come back, go to device preferences, storage, in storage go to apps. Here you might find it here. If not, show system apps, then just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. There it is, my Skype app. Likewise, one of my friends had installed Netflix on his Android TV. So he had a tough time finding it out, but then we got it. Thanks for watching.